Health benefits of vitamin D. Benefits: healthy bones, reduced risk of flu, reduced risk of diabetes, healthy infants, healthy pregnancy, cancer prevention. Now Foods, Vitamin D3 High Potency Review. Description: structural support, helps maintain strong bones, supports dental health, non-GMO, a dietary supplement. Kosher, contains gelatin, vitamins, GMP Quality Assured. Now vitamin D3 softgels supply this key vitamin in a highly absorbable liquid softgel form. Vitamin D is normally obtained from the diet or produced by the skin from the ultraviolet energy of the sun. However, it is not abundant in food. As more people avoid sun exposure, vitamin D supplementation becomes even more necessary to ensure that your body receives an adequate supply. Suggested use: take 1 softgel daily with a meal. Other ingredients: extra virgin olive oil and softgel capsule, bovine gelatin, water, glycerin. Not manufactured with yeast, wheat, gluten, soy, corn, milk, egg, fish or shellfish ingredients. Produced in a GMP facility that processes other ingredients containing these allergens. Warnings: caution, for adults only. Consult physician if pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition. Keep out of reach of children. Natural color variation may occur in this product. Store in a cool, dry place after opening. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.